aluminum. So you guys know, aluminum, one of the #1 causes of Alzheimer's. Antiperspirants, shouldn't wear them. I don't, and I don't stink. So, when it comes to trucking, you have a logbook. And in the logbook, you have 70-hour weeks, you have 14-hour days, you have 11 hours drive time, and within that 14-hour days, you have 8 hours. Within that 8 hours, you have to take a half-hour break. The first 15 minutes of your 14-hour shift, you have to do a pre-trip. It's check out your trailer and truck. It's called a pre-trip. And then the last 15 minutes of your 14-hour shift, you have to do a post-trip. That means you take 7.5 minutes to look at your truck, 7.5 minutes to look at your trailer. I can do this shit in like fucking 3 minutes, the whole truck and trailer. But worst thing is when you walk out of the truck all the way into the store and, well, you leave your wallet sitting right there. Wallet sitting there, go to the store, can't get your drink, whatever. Ta-da! Fabulousness is awesomeness. Yeah. So, where I hide my toothbrush and toothpaste, activated charcoal. Look, it's got fluoride in it. I didn't buy it, my wife did. Let's go for a walk through the TA in Civil, something like that, Ohio. Civil, Ohio or some shit. I'm not really sure. This guy over here in this purple Kenworth is probably looking at me like, what the fuck? Making a video, mind your own business. I'm telling you gotta lock the doors. Thieves everywhere. Show you out here. Here all the trucks rolling. This is Civil, Ohio, TA. Nothing special. Most truck stops aren't. But what do you do? Most people do shit like this with cigarette butts, trash everywhere. Bunch of fucking slabs. Notice the hobo sweater. Some of you guys will know. Some of you guys won't. I like music festivals. I've always wondered about these Prime trucks. Like, isn't Amazon or something have something to say about that? I don't know. Corporations. This one here has a pretty big truck service spot. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bays, man. Freightliner service point. Professional drivers. Whatever that means. Half of us are professional. Morning, sir. Thank you. Oh. Then they got this nice little fancy restaurant. Sure, I wonder if they serve breakfast. I don't know. She looks upset or tired. Ah, she's on her phone. But it is what it is. Sure it is. There's a trucker's lounge. Most good truck stops got these. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Little TV. For those of you who whine about cameras, they're always being recorded. Quit being whiny bitches. TA, interesting enough, has a beer cave. No driver's allowed to drink at all. Off the clock, like you're in your 10-hour break, cannot have alcohol in your truck. So all this stuff is for people who are not drivers. They got sweaters. Gotta love them. Morning, sir. Excuse me. I gotta get my morning breakfast. I don't eat breakfast. I have energy drinks. And I like the Bangs, the Reigns, those are good ones. And then the Rockstar Juiced, which the Monster juice, I don't like the Monster. I like the Rockstar juice, but they don't have them. At the register was looking at me kind of weird too, so I'm not gonna record him. It's about lease, purchase, bullshit, owner operator stuff. Well, these receipts, you keep them because they're tax write-offs. That's nice. This place has a Verizon too. A game room. Anyway, this is my trip to the TA. We're back there having fun right there. Now onto my pre-trip. Also, what I do for a pre-trip too, first thing in the morning before I go inside the TAs, I shut my truck off. That way when I come out, the oil's kind of settled, and I can check the oil and get an accurate oil level reading. See why I don't want to do drive-in? Like, come on, that just doesn't look as cool. There's like a car hauler, you know, flatbedders and stuff. That stuff just looks cooler, you know, like, let me show you, look at this. Hold on. Look at it, see, he's got, look at it, it just looks cooler, doesn't it? I don't know. It's hard at work too, so you're not like, I don't know, it just looks cooler. No! So, I'm doing a pre-trip. I'm looking at all the bolts. Make sure there's nothing loose. Hoses. All that good stuff. Everything looks good. Look at the U-bolts. Make sure they're on there tight. Don't look loose. Stuff like that. You know, shocks. Make sure no leaking oil in the shocks. And then brakes. These have disc brakes on them. So can't forget the coolant. Obviously, she's full. Oil cooler here. Check the oil. That's the oil dip. And that's the level of the oil. She's good. Check the compressor. The level of fluid in there. Give this thing a little wiggle. Washer fluid kind of low. Belts. Everything looks fucking good. Check the tires. No wear. These lug nuts. U-bolts, brakes. Ta-da! Engine compartment. Not that hard. Yes, good stuff. So, shit. After I do all that engine compartment stuff, I went back there, checked my trailer, checked my lights, blinkers, brakes. It's simple. It takes like 5 fucking minutes. 3 minutes a truck, 3 minutes for the trailer. Not 7. But guess what? I'm done with my pre-trip and well, look. Stupid ELD logged me out for some reason. Today, Junior. Okay, so window up, volume down on the TV, or TV, radio. So back on there. Just in time to do my pre-trip. Look at you guys got to jump in right at the right time. But my pre-trip's already done, so I have to sit here for 15 minutes. 3:43, 15 minutes from now, just about 4 o'clock. 2 minutes before 4 o'clock, I can get on the road. But I have to wait for this to prove to the fascist, I mean our government, that I did the pre-trip. These are also alright, by the way. But always drink 0 sugar. Zero sugar. Sugar's really hard for our body to manipulate. It has a hard time figuring out what to do with it, if you guys didn't know. And you get fat and diabetic, so stay away from the sugar. But anyway, guys, this is my pre-trip shower. Not shower. Shower. Not shower. This is my morning. After about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours of sleep, because I didn't get to bed till like 11. Got up at what? 2 o'clock in the morning, so 11, 12, 1, 2, so 3, 4 hours of sleep. God, maybe it was 3 o'clock in the morning or something, I don't know. All because I can't sleep when I want. Look, if I was tired, which I will be a little bit later down the road, I would just pull over and go to sleep if I had a paper log, or if I didn't have a logbook at all, I would just pull over and go to sleep. Instead of fighting my sleep and trying to race the clock and shit, you know, that's what I would do, but can't do that. So now I wait for 3:57 before I can finish and sign my inspection. Isn't that stupid? But oh well, life happens for you, not to you. Morning, guys. Welcome to the trucking world.